Our fully online pharmacy technician certification program is your fast track to a rewarding healthcare career, offering comprehensive industry-aligned training. Complete your certification in as little as 404 hours. Whether it takes 8 weeks or 18 months, we provide the flexibility to fit your life. Enroll, learn at your own pace, and prepare for certification with full support every step of the way. Launch a career earning $33,000 to $57,000 annually with opportunities in hospitals, pharmacies, pharmaceutical companies, and emerging telehealth services. With over 23,000 new pharmacy tech jobs opening annually, you'll play a key role in bridging patient care and medical technology in this booming industry. For just $2,595 with a $100 down payment, your dream career is within reach. Enroll now and take control of your future today with Intelvio's ASHP Pharmacy Technician Certification Program.